When it comes to industrial power control, reliability is everything. That's where the TT92N14KOF Thyristor module comes in. Built by Infineon, this dual Thyristor module is designed to handle high voltage and high current, making it a solid choice for demanding environments. With a voltage rating of 1400 volts, it's commonly found in soft starters, rectifiers for drive systems, UPS rectifiers, battery chargers, and power controllers. You'll also see it in static transfer switches, bypass switches, and crowbar applications. In short, it's built for stability and dependable long-term performance in critical industrial systems. US Component supplies the TT92N14KOF, along with a range of other power semiconductors for industrial and energy needs. If you're looking for this module, just send an email to sales@uscomponent.com. That's sales@uscomponent.com.